Hi guys, today we talk about how can see your activities on your AllTrails app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your AllTrails app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above the sign settings here and up, click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you come here to privacy settings, click on it here. Then you come to this list here. Then you just go down here, you come here to activities, click on it here, and here can you choose who can see your activities. So here can you choose if you want to add this public or followers only or private, and you click here on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.